you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Acura ILX freshwater flood damage vehicle. We're in the process of rebuilding this vehicle. Just want to show you guys an update. When it's complete, we'll post it on the website with detailed photos. So we've already analyzed this vehicle and we made the determination we're going to complete it. As you can see, no water in the headlights, which tells you that the vehicle was not very deep in the water. Also, you can tell with floods that the metal under the hood in the engine compartment, if it was underwater, will start to corrode and oxidize. As you can see, this vehicle is very clean under the hood. Do a quick walk around. So the body is very clean on this. There's a couple small blemishes that will buff out. Get here, these will come out. On the door here, that'll come out also. This is an all-wheel drive. It's also a A-SPEC, which is the top of the line model. So what we do, first thing we do is when we say we're going to build a vehicle and we make that determination, we pull out the interior complete and we begin cleaning everything, cleaning the wire harness. As you can see, there's power, there's a light on under there. The vehicle, we already know that it runs. We change the fluids, we change all the filters. And then we start drying the carpets, as you can see on the stand. After they're cleaned and they're sanitized. But we also pull out the interiors, just make sure the vehicle is completely dry. Well, as soon as the interior is dry, we're going to reassemble the vehicle. Should take a couple hours, but we give it enough time to we go through it thoroughly. This side's clean. Excuse me, because for the tight video, I have a lot of cars in the yard, limited space. But as you can see, this is a nice car. There will be financing on this vehicle when it's complete. We can finance all our ready-to-go vehicles that have rebuilt titles and salvage history. We deal with a great bank that offers great rates. Thanks for watching the video.